Reason number 1, you learn from failure. Failing isn't always great, but you know what? It's a learning curve. So, rather than seeing failure as a negative thing, embrace the failure and develop a growth mindset. Reason number 2, failure makes you stronger. Failure can pull you down, but you know what? It also makes the person stronger. Because when you fail and you learn from your mistakes, you automatically become stronger. Reason number 3, it helps you to get rid of fear. Most of the things that we fear are somehow interlinked with failure. Fear is the primary reason because of which most of the students hold themselves back and stay in their comfort zone. So, instead of dwelling upon failure, embrace it and learn from it. Reason number 4, new opportunities. Many a times, failure can take you into different stages of depression. So, instead of focusing on the negative things, focus your energies on all the positive things. Reason number 5, it gives you a glimpse of the real world. Learn from the mistakes you made and stay consistent to achieve success.